Okay, here's the same diagram I had previously. So I've got my curve, and I've got my point P on it that I'm trying to work out, and then I've got the circle that just fits inside the curve, which has a radius of r. So this is the radius of curvature that we've worked out previously, and now we're going to try and figure out where the centre of curvature is. So basically, what's the values for these h and k based on this? Okay, to do this, we need to know how steep the point is at this point. So if we have the slope of the curve, so this is effectively dy by dx, evaluated at the point P, and that will have some angle theta. Okay, and because these two things are at right angles, that will also be the angle theta will be the same as that angle in there. Okay, and the value of theta is just going to be the tan inverse of the gradient. So tan theta equals dy by dx evaluated at the point P. Okay, so we can work out what theta is. So theta is tan inverse of dy by dx evaluated at the point P. Okay, now just very simple trigonometry. This is a right angle triangle in here, seeing that these are vertical and horizontal lines. So this length in here has got to be r cos theta. That's the difference between here and here. And this one here is r sine theta. There's the difference across there. Which means very simply that the point H has got to be equal to my x1 value minus r sine theta, and my point K up the side here is my original y value plus r cos theta. Okay, so these relationships here will tell us where the centre of curvature is. So I need to know my original point. I need to know my gradient to work out the angle. So once I've got the angle from the tan inverse of the gradient, I can work out the angle, and then I can use that to work out where the points are. I've just noticed a notational thing here. I've used capital R's on the diagram, so they should all be technically be capital R's. Like I've got one of them right. So they're all capital R's. So you do need to know the radius of curvature. So to work out the centre of curvature, you have to work out the radius of curvature on the way.